guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making strawberry cookies, and if you want to learn how to make this gorgeous plate of Confetti strawberry cookies, please stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right on to the video. Okay, so for this recipe, you want to get your handy dandy KitchenAid mixer. If not, hand mixer will work just fine. I have some frozen strawberries here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cook these down with a little bit of sugar over the stove because I want a puree. Now, you can use strawberry chunks for this if you want to bite into an actual strawberry, but if you want more of a deep strawberry flavor throughout the whole cookie, I suggest turning your strawberries into a puree or buying strawberry puree. So I'm just gonna put these in a pot with a little bit of sugar. Okay, now so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our mixer with our unsoftened butter. We'll pop that in there with our brown sugar. And our white sugar. And we're just gonna cream those together. My butter is softened, by the way. I'm gonna take my salt and my baking powder and mix that in with my flour. We're just gonna cream that together until it's all nice and combined. This is one of my favorite cookie recipes. With that all combined, we're just gonna give that a scrape down. Now at this part, I'm going to add my egg. Crack that right in the bowl. With some vanilla. Just a little splash. And a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're gonna mix that together. So now our strawberries are all cooked down. I'm just gonna take an immersion blender and just give that a quick blitz. You can pop this in a blender if you want to, if you don't have an immersion blender. Or if you wanna leave them chunky, you can definitely do that too. Gonna blend that all together. As you can see, this is piping hot. If you throw this in now, you will scramble your eggs. So here's a little trick for you to get it to cool down fast. Get a bowl with some ice, get another bowl, put that bowl inside that bowl, and then pour your puree in this bowl. And go ahead and just give that a stir around in the ice bowl. And within a couple minutes, your puree will be cooled down to temperature. Boom, we're done. Now I'm gonna measure out a half a cup into. Sometimes I like more strawberry and then sometimes I don't. So when you cool it down, it gets kind of thick, almost like a jelly. It's kind of cool. And we're just gonna put that in there. It's gonna look a little weird. It's gonna look like it's not mixing, but it just keep going. All right, now we're gonna add in our dry mixture. You wanna be careful not to overmix this dough either because these are gonna be thick cookies. If you overmix it, you'll get more crispier cookies than soft cookies. See what we have here. Literally, it smells so good. Okay, so now our dough is done. gonna pop this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes just to let it cool off. Trust me, always cool your cookie dough. Always. Do not mix it and put it right in the oven. We have our beautiful cookie dough right here. Look at that, pink and luscious. Sometimes I'll add extra food coloring to it to get it more pink, but that's okay. It's okay. Now we're gonna pop this in the refrigerator and we're gonna chill it for about 30 minutes and then we're gonna bake them. Okay, I'm back. Our dough has chilled, it's all nice and firmed up. So I just got an ice cream scoop here and I'm just gonna scoop these out onto my sheet tray. Our cookies are done. They have cooled and they literally smell so good. I have some leftover strawberry puree. I'm gonna use that to decorate my cookies, as well as some melted white chocolate. That's hot. Ooh, and some sprinkles. Or you can leave them as is and do whatever you want with them, but I'm gonna just kind of play around with some different like decorations. So yeah, here we go. If I like one more than the other, I'm gonna just like do them all like that. It looks like a jelly. I already don't like this. I don't like the way that looks. All right, boom, white chocolate. Y'all like that? Okay, let me use a spoon. Yeah. Let me try this. Yeah, I like that. Try some sprinkles. Ooh, okay. Nah. Yeah. Okay. I figured out which one I like. I'm gonna plate these up. Okay, so that is the end of the video. This is the plate of cookies. I'm gonna call these strawberry funfetti cookies because look at that. That looks fun. These are like perfect for like kids parties. I gotta try one though. We gotta try this. Oh my god, it's literally so soft on the inside. Like, can you see that? How they be doing that? I don't know, but it's literally like cake on the inside. Yes. This is a must make this summer. You guys gotta make this. You need to, okay? Okay. That is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Please comment. Please like. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.